All right, Christian Vera here, Classic Cars of Palm Beach. Hey, we're doing a walk around video on this Cadillac 2017 CT6. What a cool car. Listen, we're going to do this video to point out any flaws so that there's no surprises to our out of area buyers here. So we'll start right off here with the front bumper. Front bumper's in great shape. It's got a couple little chips here and there. Very little bug damage. This is just dirty at the moment. This will come a lot cleaner here shortly. Headlights in great shape. Front grille is in excellent condition. Love that Cadillac emblem. Second headlight looks great. Hood looks fantastic. No scratches, dents, or dings. Front fender looks excellent. Front wheel looks real good. No curb rash. Tires look really good, probably 75%. Side view mirror looks good. Driver door looks real good. No scratches, dents, or dings. Rear door on the driver's side also looks excellent. Rear quarter panel looks excellent. Rear wheel, no curb rash there either. That's a matching set of tires. Rear wheels are a little thinner. I'm going to call them a little closer to 50%. Rear bumper looks good. No major wear on the rear bumper. Let me grab the keys real quick here. All right, no major wear on the rear bumper. Oh, look at that. Does not come with the beach chairs. But the trunk is in excellent shape as well. No scratches, dents, or dings on the rear trunk. Rear quarter panel looks excellent. No scratches, dents, or dings there. I will tell you that it's not uncommon to see bumpers that are repainted down in South Florida with all the population that we've got, and this one looks like there's no exception there either. Rear wheel on the passenger side looks great. Couple little scuffs here. Rear door on the passenger side looks good. No scratches, dents, or dings. Passenger door looks real good. No scratches, dents, or dings. Side view mirror looks good. And the front quarter panel looks fantastic. Front wheel looks excellent on the passenger side as well. Glass looks good. No chips, no stars, no bursts. Driver door looks excellent. Bose stereo system. Buttons all look real good. Entrance area looks really good. Seat looks fantastic. Very little wear on the seats. That's pretty cool. All right, dashboard looks fantastic. No cracks, no cuts. Carbon fiber on the dash looks really cool. Steering wheel looks like it's in great shape as well. All the buttons look excellent. Console looks real good. Passenger seat looks excellent. Headliner looks great. This does have the dual panels. Rear seats look fantastic. Looks like a small living room back there. Let's start this up. Dashboard. There's no lights on the dash. Take a look at a little bit of the functionality of the screens here. It's got the charging port right there. Let's get up underneath the hood. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell in this car.